Right, good morning everyone. Now I've got this fabric. It is beautiful and soft. It's satin. We have this in many colours, so check it out. It's 12-inch wide satin fabric. Oh, I might need that out actually, so I'm going to leave that there. Now, I've found the picture that I want. Got some bits and pieces out and I'm going to make a flower as well. So I'm just going to put that to one side. And what I've got is I've found this foam. So I've cut it into an oval-ish shape. So I'm now going to cover that. But I need to leave a ledge around it for me to be able to stick the trims to it. So I've just cut a piece of fabric from that roll. And hang on, because I do need to leave a little bit. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm just going to press it down, but leave a lip. Hopefully it will work. So I don't want to, it might be too thick, this foam. I don't think so. We'll see. This may not work at all. I just needed that covered, you see. The edging I'm going to cover anyway, so I'm not fussed about that either. And I'm not going to waste anything I cut off. Because that can be made into flowers, the bigger bits. Right, we don't need that bit. So let's just have a look at this. I might need to just open that up slightly. Although I don't need to. I think I'll be alright. Well, it's just that bit that's bugging me now. Oh, that's it. Just need to get the glue gun in there. That'll do, and then I'm just going to go over with the lighter to seal it all in, so it's not going to fray or anything. And I might sandwich it between the lace anyway, but we shall see. So that's going to be the back, and I'm now going to go around that with the lace. And I'm choosing the pink Nottingham lace. This is just stunning lace. And we have it in various colours. A little bit wide there, but that's fine. I'm okay with that. It already looks good. You can have it that way or that way, but I'm going to choose to have it that way. And then we're going to go around the front. That's the only thing when you're doing something like this, just be careful and that you've left it a wide enough rim for you to do this. When you're using a thick sponge base. like that. That's it. I'm quite happy with that. That's done what I want it to do. Yeah. Now, on top of that, I do have this, which is, I need to get some more actually. This is called our luxury one because it is beautiful trim. To edge the picture. Now it's just going to have that as a top layer, but you do have to, with this one, pinch. Just pinch it in and make a little bit more of a gather. So only do an inch at a time, and that way you've time to work with it. And we'll just connect that there. See? So we've got that. So then what I'm going to do with this trim now is go around that edge, starting at the bottom. Oh, like that. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's nearly enough. It's framed it nicely. And that's what you want. Okay, and that, you see, is we're going to pop on here. Somewhere like that. Now, I'm going to put her a little pink trim in her hair. I might actually just have a bow small enough. I'm not sure. If not, we can make something, I think. Let's just have a look, see what we have. I'm not sure if that's too big. It's not actually. I like that. So I'm going to put that in. And put that in her hair. Like that. That's pretty, isn't it? I think we should put her like a... That's wrong colour pink actually, so I'm not going to do that. We need to put her like a little pink necklace on her, so just going to use a little bit of chain. Beaded chain like this. So we'll do it like it's there to there. It's just a little tiny bit of string, pearl string. Oh, I just want to bend that slightly. Like it's going round her neck. I'm fine with that. And then what I'm going to do is to pop this on here. And I've left it so that, hang on, I need to get that straight. You can still see all of the layers like that. and let's just have a look, see if we, yeah, this is pink. Not sure. If you're not sure, don't do it until you are. So I've got a couple of these. You know, like this one. I could cut that shorter actually. Let me just cut a short trim. So I put that there first because I like, it doesn't have to be down the middle. It can be to one side. And no, don't want to. I've got that set on there. I want something across here because it doesn't have to be all flowers, although I'm going to put flowers on it. Let me just see. Here's some. I've got this. I took this out just in case I needed it, but I might not use it, so see, I like that. And if I did that double, it's just a bit of trimming, isn't it? Although I'm covered in glue. I'm not sure. I feel like doing that as well. But I do think it's going to be a waste. Though I could do a double row of this. No, I don't think it needs it. So now what we're going to do is just to put a little bit of, let's put a bit of bling in it. I might change my mind about the flowers. You can do too much and I don't want to do that. Look at that. Oh, perfect. And we can have it just like that. Oh, isn't that stunning? And it was a clip, so let me just see if I can take the clip out. It's got a spring in it, so I do have to be careful. Right, I've got rid of that, so it definitely won't work now. I might just free it from the wire. So it's going to come off in pieces, I think. That's fine. I'm happy with that. At least I can put that back together myself how I want it. So I'm just going to lay that there. Then we can put this one here. One of the petals there. Bring that down. Pop that there. And one there. Right, okay, yes. Never be afraid to dismantle something. Oops, because, well, why should you be afraid to dismantle it? If it works for you. Bring that down. Put this bit in. There. Like that. Pop this one on. There. Like that. Like that. Yeah, you should never be afraid to dismantle something. That's it. I'm quite happy with that. That's lovely, actually. Isn't that gorgeous? The last thing I need, just let me put these things back. Do I need any more bling on that? That's what I was looking at, this bit. I think we can put... There's just something missing off of there. That's too pink, you see. No. What about 3 of these? And it'll just make it pop. Which will be good. Like that. That's it. And that, to me, has just made that pop. Great. And I don't mind about mixing. And if I want to tone that down, you just get a little bit of paint. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it's given you a little bit of inspiration. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.